Is it science fair season in your household? Hi, I'm Tim Van Milligan from Apogee Components. Today I'm going to introduce to you the Avion Science Fair Nose Cone Kit. And as the name says, this is going to be a kit where we can change the shape of the nose cone to find out which shape is most efficient. So what you're going to get is an Avion rocket kit like this one right here. And also you'll receive 5 additional nose cones and a payload tube. So basically that means you're going to have 6 nose cones that you can test. So what you'll do is you'll pull the nose cone off the Avion, you'll put in a payload tube, and into this payload tube you'll put an altimeter like one of these here. And there's several different altimeters you can choose from. It doesn't come with the kit, but they're relatively inexpensive and they're highly accurate, which is the important thing. So you're going to take your payload tube, you're going to drop in an altimeter, you're going to put on the nose cone, put that on the Avion rocket, attach the parachute and shock cord, of course, and then you're going to launch it. And then you're going to measure the altitude when you get it back. Then you're going to pop this off, reset the altimeter, stick one of the other nose cones on, and then redo the experiment all over again. So again, what you're going to get is you're going to get a payload tube and then 5 additional nose cones. Now these are all 3D printed. Now in the past, in our old version, they were all balsa wood. And the problem with balsa wood is all the surface finishes of the nose cones were different. So you had to spend a lot of time sanding and sealing and then painting. Where these are 3D printed, and you can see they have a really nice smooth surface already. Just a little bit of sanding and the paint and you're ready to go. It also comes with a 3D printed coupler like this. And then there's some bulkheads that go on the inside so that you can separate your altimeter section from the nose cone. And you're also going to put in a little bit of clay because you need to make sure that every time you launch the rocket, it has the same weight. So there's only one variable, just the shape of the nose cone. All the nose cones, as you can see, are the same length. The only difference is the weight of the nose cone and the shape. And we're going to account for the weight of the nose cone by putting in extra ballast of clay, or you could use sand if you want. So this turns out to be a really simple project to do. Kids understand it. And it reduces all the variables down to just the shape of the nose cone, which is what you want to do when you're doing the scientific method. You'll find this here at Apogee Components. Our web address is www.apogeerockets.com. So what you're going to need is not only the Avion Science Fair Nose Cone Kit, but also an altimeter, rocket motors, and a launch pad. And that's pretty much all you'll need. So again, you'll find it at apogeerockets.com. My name is Tim Van Milligan, and thanks for watching.